In this video we have a shutoff valve. As you can see, the shutoff valve is pretty much gone. So we're going to replace this, and we're going to replace this very easily. So if you're a homeowner, you could do this on your own. It's going to be super easy. So let me show you guys what we actually got. So usually this is a toilet line, right? So for the toilet supply line, it's usually this size, but it could be different. Just double check with your existing hose, and it'll tell you. There should be a sticker of some sort that'll show you the sides. So we got 1/2 inch, right? Push connect inlet. So 1/2 inch is basically the size of this pipe here. This is a 1/2 inch pipe. Usually you're gonna have 1/2 inch pipe. And then the other side is gonna be 3/8. The 3/8 compression side is gonna be this one here. So this is 3/8 and then this is 1/2 inch. So just make sure that you get the correct size. So this one we got is push connect from Brascraft. It's pretty easy to use. We're just gonna push this in and it's just gonna work just like that, you know. And the reason why I like these valves is because you don't have to like keep turning it like these types, where you see this one is loose, it doesn't work too properly anymore. These are quarter turn, you know. It just like that, you know, quarter turn and you're good to go. So it's super easy to deal with. We shut off the main line of the house. You can cut this pipe or you can remove this by unsweating this. We're just gonna cut it with this Milwaukee M12 cutter, copper cutter. There you go. You guys wanna make sure that this is clean. So I have this piece here. Now this one, I got it from Home Depot. This is by Blue Monster. It sands out the outer layer and then also the inner layer too. Or you guys can just take a sandpaper and then just kind of, you know, clean it up. This will make sure that you get a very nice connection. You see that? It just turns super clean. So I want to make sure that I go inside the pipe and outside of the pipe and just kind of clean this up. This is super important to make sure you don't have that you have a leak-free connection. So all we do after that is just push this in. That's it. Thanks for watching.